Still focusing on China's high-tech manufacturing, and let's go back to Assistant Professor LEI Linan in Hangzhou. So, Professor, as we just mentioned, high-tech manufacturing is one of the main drivers of China's GDP growth in the first 3 quarters this year. How about global audience make sense of its role?
Thank you for having me here. In the current process of China's economic development, the high-tech manufacturing industry has become a core pillar for stabilizing the overall economic performance of China, leading the industrial upgrading and also fostering the new growth drivers. So it played a key role in advancing the high-quality development of the national economy. Compared with the traditional manufacturing, the high-tech manufacturing has relatively higher technological complexity and higher value added, and enjoying the sustained strong market demand. That's the reason why such sector is relatively less affected by the economic cycle fluctuations. This has continuously contributed the new drivers of growth to high-quality development. Meanwhile, it serves not only as the primary driving force for the upgrading of our traditional industry, but also as an important supporting platform for cultivating the new productive forces, especially for the future. Thank you.
Professor Lei, President Xi really underscored the need for China to have a smart, green, integrated and modern industrial system. What advantages would you say China has in high-tech manufacturing?
We see that China has demonstrated outstanding performance in innovation capability, digitalization and intelligence capability, industrial basic capacity, and the industrial supporting infrastructure. Especially for the innovation capability, over the past decades, firms in China's high-tech manufacturing sector have steadily increased their R&D investment and got a wealth of achievement with independent IP rights. In the Global Innovation Index 2025 released by the WIPO, China has entered the top 10 in innovation for the first time by ranking the 10th globally. Then for the industrial digitalization and intelligence, China leads the world in the level of the smart manufacturing technology and application as well as its scale. We see now we have more than 400 national level smart manufacturing demonstration factories, and our country's industrial foundational capacity has also been significantly strengthened. China has made remarkable breakthroughs in the core foundational components, advanced foundational technologies, and the key foundational materials. In this field, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, the MIIT of China, has identified over 17,000 little giant enterprise. As global leaders in their niche segments, this enterprise has laid a solid industrial foundation for China. Finally, for the industrial supporting infrastructure, for example, China has the world's largest information and communication network, ranking first globally in metrics such as the number of operation 5G base stations, mobile phone users, and fixed broadband network scale, and also boasts the most comprehensive logistic infrastructure globally, with the world's largest high-speed railway network, express network. This has further amplified the cost and efficiency advantage of made in China.
Well, Professor, I believe you've been following closely on this crucial CPC meeting on Monday, and it highlighted innovation-driven growth and the cultivation of new growth drivers. Now, looking ahead, during the upcoming 15th five-year plan period, what potential does China have in this particular area?
We see that the emerging industry and the future-oriented industry represents incremental growth and driver and serve also as the new engines for the spearheading the development of a modern industrial system. We need to accelerate the development of the industrial clusters in strategic emerging sectors such as new energy, advanced material, aerospace, and the low-altitude economy. we should also, as you mentioned, let's take the forward-looking arrangement for the future-oriented industry, and like the biofabrication, hydrogen energy, and the nuclear fusion energy, brain-computer interfaces, embodied intelligence, etc., to emerge as the new economic growth drivers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Assistant Professor LEI Linan in Hangzhou.